Glass high from a few yards outside of Parks' goal, with it finishing at the break, Gosport 0, Taunton 1. Having recently confirmed a new loan extension until the end of the season, Harry Lee continued to show exactly what he was made of, whipping a fantastic cross 25 yards out in towards the back post, just narrowly evading Stanley and instead finding former Tottenham keeper Josh Good. Josh Good was definitely keeping Taunton in the game as the ball fizzled into Stanley, with the former Pompey man turning Matthews and the striker's low-hit shot found the hand of an outstretched Good in a fantastic save, later grappling onto the rebound. We did eventually find our equaliser through a scrappy goal. From a set piece, Good spilled the ball and it fell kindly to new joint coach Danny Hollins. The midfielder bundled the ball in the back of the net to get us back onto level terms. Just before the final whistle, Gosport very nearly stole the 3 points. Dan Willing getting on the end of a cross saw the